evacuated on May 18th in the middle of the night, and when we evacuated, we drove over 2 bridges on M-30, just 3 minutes away to my parents on Wixom Lake. And then on May 19th, we lost our dams and our lakes and our bridges, and that 3-minute drive turned into over an hour drive.
It's just, one of those things you never thought would happen, and even talking about it is like, is that really real? So just to be able to, hey, if we want to go north to the grocery store, we can do that now. If we want to go south to get to work and not have to drive an extra 30 minutes, we can do that now. Last week, it was so exciting to have the bridge open and walking across it, seeing the design and knowing that we can have traffic both ways, seeing the community come together and be proud of that. And then today with meeting the governor, just really seeing her caring and wanting to see that impact and how much it means to the community.
Well, I think it shows what we're capable of. We don't want it to take a crisis to be able to show what we can accomplish if we work together, but this is an example of a crisis that, we needed to jump in. This community came together. One of the hardest days of the last year was when this crisis happened. One of the best days was when I saw how this community rose to the challenge, and I'm proud of the work that MDOT has done, the work that Eagle has done to support getting this community back on track.
It's just kind of like the final chapter in the story, right? So M-30 is fully open. We got traffic coming through here now, and we can get regular mail service now, and if we want to head north, we can do that without having to drive all the way around and with a 30-minute detour. So, and also just the businesses in the area. It's nice to have everything back to normal so we can support the local businesses.
It's been a wild ride, so we've been able to watch a lot of the construction and get to know some of the crews, really appreciative of the work that they do. They've been working around the clock, 6 days a week. Just so appreciative of the men and women working through a Michigan winter to get this bridge back open, and really excited to celebrate each milestone for the community.